What's going on, everybody? TG here. Thought I'd talk about a couple things today because a lot of people have been asking what has been up with Bitcoin and why it's been performing so badly recently compared to some of the other coins like Ethereum and Cardano. So I wanted to give you guys all that info because I did a little bit of research and found out exactly why. So I thought I'd share it with you guys because I'm going to be gone for a couple days. So I thought I'd get out a good video for you guys right now. But before we start this video, guys, if you can, just like and subscribe. Especially subscribing, it means a ton to me. And if you want to join our Discord, it's in the link in the description below. Come and chat about crypto or stocks or any sort of investments in there. But going on to Bitcoin and why Bitcoin has been performing so badly recently, one of the biggest catalysts was Elon Musk coming out and tweeting that they will not be accepting Bitcoin due to its impacts on the environment. He says, "We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emission of any fuel," Musk said in a note posted on Twitter. He also said, though, that cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at a great cost to the environment. After this happened, Bitcoin obviously tanked about 12%, but since then it's been on a steady decline since, not showing the support needed at the crucial levels like the 50,000. It tried to hold strong there, but it just couldn't, and now it's about 48,000 right now. Now, where is this money going? Well, it's going into Cardano. Cardano is very efficient and very cheap to mine. When I say cheap to mine, I'm talking about the use of fossil fuels and emissions. Cardano uses very, very little. Thus, people thinking that Cardano can be a big solution for this issue and making a lot of people want to use it. Market cap of over $100 billion now, hitting all-time highs at $2.28. This thing has just been on an absolute tear this week, starting the week off at about $1.50 and now hitting $2.30, $2.37 at its all-time high. So it's been performing extremely well. People also thought Dogecoin was going to be something big because when Elon Musk tweeted out that he's also working with Dogecoin, it started to move up a lot as well when he tweeted that. But it did fall back some right afterwards. So it was about here. He tweeted it, boom, it shot up big to around like 67, kept going all the way to like 70. Actually, wait, that's the wrong date. Sorry. This is what I meant. I meant to click 1 week. So it was in the dumps. Elon tweeted about it. It shot up huge to about 55. Then it sold off a little bit and is sitting at around 51 right now. So again, crypto hasn't really been performing too well except for Cardano. That's been doing really well. Surprised the XRP up 10% as well today, but it's still down for the week. But Cardano, obviously the clear winner. Now, whether Bitcoin is going to continue to advance is very unknown. It doesn't have a lot of momentum right now. And, the biggest endorser and promoter of cryptocurrency in the real world, Elon, being bearish on Bitcoin is a very bad sign. But it bodes well for other things like Ethereum and Cardano. Just really bodes badly for Bitcoin. So I do expect to see some sort of recovery sometime soon, but I think it can get much worse before it gets better. And that's good for long-term buyers, but you also have to talk about the technology. The technology of Bitcoin is far less superior or far inferior, whatever you want to call it, to stuff like Ethereum, stuff like Cardano. But it has the name. It's the original one, and it's the reason it's going to stay forever. Bitcoin is never going to go to zero or anything like that. I doubt it even drops under 10,000 again. I think it will stay above 10,000 forever. But if there's a really bad crash, I think Bitcoin will be one of the places that money will go out very, very fast just because of the technology. I think Ethereum is definitely the strongest one in the world right now, and it's the one that I would hold if I owned crypto, but I don't want to own crypto yet. I'm going to wait for that crash because I do think it is going to happen, with this massive run-up that we've had, in crypto in the past couple months, especially the past year. I mean, crypto is, a $250 million valuation, and now it's sitting at 2.25, so it's gained $2 trillion of valuation in the past year, and with no real pullback. So I think there's going to be a significant pullback very soon, and probably then I'll take my chances and hopefully get Ethereum under 2,000. I don't think that's going to happen, but a man can hope. But anyways, when it comes to Bitcoin, there needs to be some sort of news that can really make it go up. Someone else adopting it, someone else legitimizing its use and its use case in the real world. And I definitely think we're going to see that somewhat soon. I just think right now it's looking very badly because it had such a huge run up this year, and now it's starting to get some bad news and starting to fall down a little bit. We saw it hit, high 60,000s, $63,000 a share, and it has fallen back, from that 60 range down to now 48,000. So a pretty significant drop, but not as big as a lot of people are thinking, especially on CNBC, talking about over a 50% drop, which would put it at around $25,000 to $27,000 a coin. So we're going to be waiting to see what happens with all of that. But I thought I'd keep you guys up to date on everything that's going on in crypto because it's a big scene. I mean, it's the most valuable asset in the world. One of them. It's more than Apple stock, which is 2.1 trillion. This is 2.25. So it's one of the most valuable assets in the world, and it's definitely worth talking about. So I'm curious to hear you guys' thoughts on crypto and what you guys think is going to happen. But right now in the short term, I think there's only going to be a couple. And like I said, you guys said this a couple of times before. There's a lot of like meme coins that really, really hurt crypto and make it people not want to own crypto. Stuff like this is just, these little pump and dump scams is, things that obviously hurt the crypto space a lot. And, where you're going to see stuff like this continue to hurt crypto. So when stuff like this goes away, I think you're going to see a lot more money going to Bitcoin. But a lot of people right now are just buying, some of these scam coins for no reason whatsoever. But we'll see what happens in the end. I think it will be fine, but I think there's going to be a lot of pain for some of the coins, like some of these meme coins, like Shibu and SafeMoon and all that crap like that. So anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on all this. Remember to like and subscribe, and just have a wonderful, wonderful, relaxing weekend. Try not to be stressed too much about the market, but if you guys want to chat, come in the Discord and talk to some of the guys. A lot of them do crypto futures and stuff like that. So I'm not into that personally, but if you guys are, go ahead and ask them and post your gains and losses in the chat. But yeah, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.